Very good morning to everyone. Sit down. Most welcome in this English oral class. In this oral class, you can ask your questions in order to get genuine answer. Okay.
Sir, tell me abstract noun of high.
The abstract noun for English word high is height. H-E-I-G-S-T. Height.
Sir, tell me abstract noun of bitter.
In order to get abstract noun of English term bitter, you need to add N-E-S-S suffix along with word bitter. Consequently, it becomes bitterness. Bitterness is an abstract noun for English word bitter.
Sir, tell me abstract noun of true.
Truth. Abstract noun for English word true is truth. T-R-U-T-S. Truth.
Sir, tell me abstract noun of thief.
Theft. T-H-E-F-T. Theft is an abstract noun for English word thief.
Sir, tell me abstract noun of brave.
Bravery. Abstract noun for English word brave is bravery. B-R-A-V-E-R-Y. Bravery.
Sir, tell me abstract noun of proud.
Abstract noun for English word proud is pride. P-R-I-D-E. Pride.
Sir, tell me abstract noun of behave.
English word behave. In order to make abstract noun for given word behave, you need to write behavior. B-E-H-A-V-I-O-U-R. Behavior.
Sir, tell me abstract noun of poor.
Poor. Just add N-E-S-S along with English word poor. That is poorness. Or another word for poor is poverty. P-O-V-E-R-T-Y.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much for participating in this valuable oral class. See you in next class.
Thank you,
Must get it by heart. All the best.